Sandhya and today's video topic is array in Java. So we are discuss about what is array. Java array is a very common type of data structure which can contain all type data values of the same data type. The data item puts in the array are called element, and the first element in the array start with index 0. Array inherit the object class and implements the serializations and clonables interfaces. We can store primitive values or object in an array. So next we are discuss about arrays variables. Using an array in your program is a three-step process. First, declaring your array. Second, constructing your array, and third is initializing your array. So first is declaring your array. Syntax: element type, square bracket, and then array name, or element type, array name, square bracket, then example, int in array, square bracket, semicolon. Define that in array is an array variable which will store integer values. Then next, int array, int square bracket, int array. Then second type of array declaration step is constructing an array. Syntax: array name is equal to new data type square bracket. For example, int array is equal to new int inside a square bracket 10. That defines in array will be stored 10 integer values. Then next, declaration and construction combined. Int in array, square bracket is equal to new int inside a square bracket 10, then semicolon. Third step is initializing an array. Int array is inside a square bracket 0 is equal to 1. Assign the integer value 1 to the first element 0 of the array index. Then next we are discuss Java array passed by reference. Array are passed to function by reference or as a pointer to the original. This means anything you do the array inside the functions affects the original. Then next we are discuss about types of array in a Java. There are two types of array in a Java. First is a single dimensional array, and second is a multi-dimensional array. First, single dimensional array. A single dimensional array of a Java is a normal array where the array contains a sequential element. For example, int square bracket my array is equal to inside a curly brace 10, 20, 30, 40, and then semicolon. Then second type is a multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is a actual array of array. To declare a multi-dimensional array variable specific is additional index using another set of square bracket. For example, int 2 2d, first square bracket and second square bracket is equal to new first square bracket put the value 4, and then second square bracket put the value 5. Then when you are allocated memory for the multi-dimensional array, you need only specify the memory for the first dimensional. You can allocate the remaining dimensions separately. In multi-dimensional array, rows and columns, etc. Thank you.